Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in isometric, where two views are given and you have to draw a 3D figure. See, this is front view and side view is given and you need to draw isometric. So we'll see length 120 on left side, the right side we have 82 and height is 75 plus 25, which is 100. So first I will draw layout. I will draw 3D box. Now when you see this sum, there are many parts. So we'll see this part where it corresponds to this part or the slope or this part. So when you see there are two parts, so it is matching with this part, right? So this part will come here, somewhere here, and this part will be somewhere here. So we'll start with this. Height is 42. This is 12. Then this is 50. This height is 12. And you draw the slope. Now how much it is inside? 40. So you take 40 inside. You go by 40, 40. So whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept, you can draw this part. And you join this. Now we'll draw this part. See this second part, this one, which is again a slope, and this part is straight. We'll draw that slope part. So I will draw line from here and I will mark 50, right? And I'll draw a straight line. So we got this line and I'll draw this slope. Now this part is going behind by how much? 30. Now this is a vertical line and you draw a line from here. So I'll get this part. Then this height is 42. And we'll complete this part. See this remaining rectangle. Now I'll take this inside. How much I have to go inside? 32. Because it is 50 up, right? So it will come in the same line. So this will be dark. Now we need to draw this circle. So that we'll draw by 4 center method. So before that we need rhombus. So I will draw vertical line and then I'll draw a line from here. See this this point is here. From that point I will draw a line box See, radius is 25, so diameter is 50. So you mark 50, 50. So we'll get rhombus 50, 50. Then I will draw, this is rhombus 50 by 50. See, total height is more than 50, so that's why it is appearing like this. Now you will draw longest diagonal. You will take midpoint, midpoint, and from here you join this. See this, from midpoint to this point. If you want me to name, I can write 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be easier. And this is point M. So we'll take radius 1 to M and we draw arc. Same way we'll take 3 to M and then we'll draw arc. Then we'll draw a vertical line. Then you draw a line from here. Then again we'll draw a vertical line. We need to draw a circle inside. That we will do it afterwards. First we will draw behind portion. How much it is behind? 50. So from point 1 I will go behind by 50. From point 3 I will go behind by 50 and I will draw tangent. See, I am marking point 1 dash, which is 50 behind, and 3 dash. Then you take radius from 1 to M and you cut it from 1 dash. Then you take 3 to radius and you go and you mark from 3 dash. It will merge with that tangent line that you can darken it. See, this is 1 dash, 3 dash. Take this radius, go behind and draw the arc. We'll draw tangent. We'll draw this line. This is a slope, right? So from here we'll draw a slope. It will be tangent to that circle. Now if you see, the width of that slope is 12. So I'll go inside by 38. 50 minus 12, 38. So this is one triple dash or whatever you double dash. Now we take the radius. And from one double dash you draw an arc. After that, from here you join tangent. And from here you draw vertical line. So this is how it will look. Now we need to draw the middle circle. Now what we need to do, we need to draw a vertical and horizontal line in that 50-50 rhombus. So you'll get the center point, and from that center point we need to take 12.5, 12.5. See, from here you go up by 12.5, down by 12.5. Here also on the left side you will draw 12.5 and on the right side you draw 12.5. So this is how you will get rhombus. So this is longest diagonal. Again same funda. You can write 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again 5 to M you draw line. And from 5 you draw arc, 6 you draw arc, then 7 to 8, 7 to M and 8 to M. See this. From 5 you draw arc. From 6 you draw arc, 6 to M. Now from 7 to M and 8 to M. So by doing this, you have completed this isometric sum. This is very important from the engineering drawing point of view, technical drawing point of view. In fact, any drawing related field, engineering, architecture, engineering graphics, CBSE, ISC, everywhere, isometric is very popular. So I hope you people have understood this. And you can draw center line at the circle. Thank you.